11th video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the numbers from 11 to 20. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing and practice session. Do you remember in 9th video we have learned about the numbers from 0 to 10. In today's video we will learn from 11 to 20. So we will go in a short revision. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so today we will learn from 11 to 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have learned the 10 means shi, we can say shi in Chinese. So now 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So we will take this shi. This is 10, we speak in Chinese shi, and 1 we say yi. So 11 is shi, yi. Again, the 10 is shi here, shi, and 2 is er, shi, er, shi, er, shi, san, shi, si, shi, wu, shi, liu, shi, qi, shi, ba, shi, jiu, or last one is, we can't say shi, it's not correct. So the last one we will say, for example, if it's 10, so shi is okay. We don't need to say yi shi, it's not necessary, shi is okay. But if it's 20, so for example, okay, this one is 2 and this one is 0. So 2 we say in Chinese er and shi, er, shi, er, shi. Okay, so simply 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 10 plus 3, and goes on. So 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, 2 we speak er and shi, er, shi, yi, shi, er, shi, san, shi, si, shi, wu, shi, liu, shi, qi, shi, ba, shi, jiu, er, shi, yi, er, san, si, wu, liu, qi, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So now comes to the character typing session. 是一 we will type the same pinyin 是一 okay, so the second one characters. Okay, number 2 是二 okay, the first character is okay. 是三 okay, the first character is okay. 是四 okay, the first character. 是五 okay, 是五 the fourth character is okay. 是五 okay, so now we will change to this side. 16 是六 okay, number 1 character is okay. 是七 17 是七 okay, number 2 character is okay. 是八 okay, number 2 character is okay. 是九 number 1 character is okay, and the last one is 二十 okay, number 2 character is okay. 11是一 12是二 13是三 14是四 15是五 16是六 17是七 18是八 19是九 20 20. So now comes to the practice session. 阿丽跟我读十一十二十三十四十五十六十七十八十九二十。This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.